Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to talk about why I decided to learn Python. And way back when I was a little boy, I had these computer magazines from my dad that I was flipping through. And of course, when I was like 10, I didn't know what the heck these computers were, right? All I knew was that my dad was using it to teach. And it showed up all these images of the full of file folders and all had all these programs in it. And it was very interesting to see all these images, but I couldn't connect why it was important in the world. And then, a couple more years forward, I'm in high school and I'm learning basic programming language, and I failed miserably. I couldn't understand how things worked, basically. How the syntax was put together, because that syntax was put together, how it produced this output. And I just couldn't connect the dots, and that discouraged me from learning programming because I just couldn't understand, and because it didn't come naturally, I thought I wasn't good at it. And so unfortunately at that time I gave up on programming. A couple more years even more forward, at my second drafting job, I joined Toastmasters, and my mentor at Toastmasters was an electrical engineer who used Python at his job. And so at that time I was a little amazed because, hey, but you're not a software engineer or programmer. Why would you use Python? But it turns out Python is used for data analysis, and that's why he was using it. And that got me into thinking, hey, if someone can learn that at his job for programming, what about me? Couldn't I learn programming myself and better myself from it? And then I dug a little deeper and found out Python was a more beginner-friendly language to learn, and it was just easier for me to understand and process the syntax and learn how to output it to closer to what I wanted to show up. And that's why I've been studying it ever since. And my end goal is to be a freelance developer who develops programs. I can develop some programs right now, but they're very, very basic, as you can see from my Learning Python series. But that's where I'm at, and I thank you for joining me on this short story about where I came from. If you want to see more videos that I just did a little funny short on how programming language overcome obstacles. And otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.